Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, yeah, I was teaching the 11th question. So, yeah, in this case, as I've already told you, L is equal to 9 times R. That's what the data says. And the area's formula is A is equal to pi R in the bracket L plus R. Instead of L, let me substitute 9 times R. Plus, there is one more R. So, that gives me 10 times R in the bracket. So, that gives me 10. I have 10. I have pi. I have R into R square, and the area is given as 12560. Now 0 can be cancelled with the help of 10. So I'm left with 1256 on one side. And on the other side, I have 22 upon 7 multiplied by r square. Now 1256. Just thinking.
Square of 34 is 1156, not 1256.
No, it's not about, but before that, is it cancelling with 22?
No,
I don't think so.
But it goes with 3.14. 3.14 का double is 628. 628 का double is 1256. Do you know that pi's approximated value is 3.14?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
yes,
So in this case, we are going to use 3.14 because 314 का double is 628 and 628 का double is 1256. So basically 314 multiplied by 4 is 1256. Because of the two decimal values, I'll put two zeros over here. So basically this goes and gives us 400 is equal to r square. That gives me r is equal to 20. And since I have r is equal to 20, they are asking for the circumference, right? Circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 multiplied by looking at the decimal values, I'll use 3.14 once again. Multiplied by r is 20. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 1256. Considering the decimal point, it becomes 125.6. And that's option 3. Am I clear?
Sir, your voice is cracking.
125.6.
Okay, my voice was cracking. But was I clear? Is the sum understood?
Sir, your voice is cracking so much that we can't hear you properly.
My goodness. Am I audible now?
Yeah, sir, you're audible now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Was the sum clear to you guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, but in such a case, how do we understand if we want to take pi as 3.14 or not?
See, whichever number gives you an easier calculation, go for it because both are equally correct.
Okay.
Okay. So if you feel the number is divisible by 11 or 22 or something similar to that, go for 22 by 7. If you feel the number is divisible by 314, go with 3.14. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now, in this case, if you'll ask me, okay, fine, over here it was pretty clear that 314 was divisible. But over here, why did I take 3.14? Because neither R is a multiple of 7 nor 2 is a multiple of 7. 2, 20, both are not multiple of 7. So in this case, if I introduce 22 upon 7, this 7 is not going to be cancelled. So this is going to give me trouble. And after dividing, मुझे anyway answer decimal में मिलने वाला है. Then why to do the extra division? I'll directly write 3.14 only instead of writing 22 upon 7. Do you understand this? Okay.
Sir, your voice is cracking. Sir,
Oh,
your
Yes,
voice is cracking.
sir, your voice is cracking.
am I audible now?
Very
Hello.
Yeah,
Sir,
now
your
it's not
voice is
cracking.
cracking.
How about now?
Yes, sir, now it's okay. But the
Yeah,
whole
it's okay.
explanation went cracking only.
Okay. So I'll just repeat the logic once again. Over here, why did I not use 22 upon 7? Because none of the neighboring numbers are divisible by 7, and hence I used 3.14 instead of 22 upon 7. So whenever you find any multiplication numbers divisible by 7, or maybe whenever you see a possibility of getting things cancelled, then only use 22 upon 7. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Hmm. Okay. So here it is 12th problem. Volume and curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1540 and 440 centimeters respectively. This is volume and curved surface area. Take it. Find the ratio of radius and height.
Sir.
Am I still cracking?
Yeah. Sir, your voice is cracking again.
Oh my God. Just a minute.
Sir, whenever you move to the whiteboard or the document, your voice starts cracking.
Hmm. How about now?
Yeah,
It's
now
fine.
it's good.
Now it's good. Okay. So here the volume is given as, is it still cracking?
No, sir.
Is it still cracking?
No, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. So volume is given as this much. Volume's formula is volume's formula for right circular cone. How much is that? How much is the formula for
Sir,
volume?
your voice is now cracking.
Pi r square h.
Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah, but they have displayed my internet connection is unstable. Okay, I'll try 5 more minutes. So, dear children, volume's formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. And they have given the value of the volume as 1540.
Oh, cylinder. Pi r square.
Oh, sorry, cylinder it is. My bad, my bad.
Sir, it's only pi square.
Hmm. And the surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi RH. So basically, 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, right? That was the surface area. And when I take 2 pi R common, I'm left with H plus R is equal to 1 4 like 440. Is this much clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry.
Sir, but it is curved surface. You're taking the total surface area.
Yes,
It is
sir.
the curved surface
Oh,
area.
curved surface area. Thank you. Thank you. Why am I able to hear music in the background?
Yeah, sir.
So
Someone
someone
is
is
playing
playing
music
music.
and muting.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, my dear children, kindly avoid such kind of things. Okay. Anyway, so this is okay. In this case, what are we supposed to do? Now they have asked us the ratio of radius and height. So 2 pi r square is and 2 pi r is. Now let's do one thing. If I divide them, I directly get the value of radius, I believe, because the pi gets cancelled. One radius gets cancelled. Height and height gets cancelled. 0, 0 gets cancelled. So I can divide this by 2. 77, 22. And 11 twos are, 11 sevens are. That gives me R is equal to 7 by 2. That gives me R. And when I substitute this in the area
Sir,
which is,
R is equal to 7.
there is upon 2
Yes,
as well,
sir.
right?
R is
Oh,
equal to
yeah, yeah. This
7.
there is 2 over here. Ah, that's right. That's right. R is equal to 7. So area's formula, which is nothing but 2 pi RH equals 440. In this case, I cancel this with 2. I get 220. I substitute the value of pi as 22 by 7 multiplied by R, which is 7, multiplied by H,
Option
which
2,
is,
7:10.
yes, yes, is equal to 220.
7, 7 cut
Yes, very good.
10.
That gives me H is equal to 10, and hence R upon H is equal to 7 by 10.
Sir, I don't know how, but I can annotate suddenly. I don't know. Um,
Wait, let me do something.
I don't know. I just clicked randomly and it came up.
Are you able to do it now?
No, no, no. It just went away.
Okay. Okay. Let's go for the 13th problem. Some hemispherical shells are made by melting solid cylindrical metal rod of radius 8 centimeter and height 57. Hmm, if the inner, if the outer and inner radius of the hemispherical shell is 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter respectively, what could be the number of shells made? Now, first of all, we have to find how much is the uh, volume by melting a solid rod. Well, there is only one solid rod which is melted. So the volume of solid rod, or maybe volume of rod, is equal to n multiplied by volume of hemispherical shell. Do you understand this logic? That means by melting one rod, I'm able to create n number of hemispherical shells. So the volume of one rod will be equal to n multiplied by hemispherical shells volume. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
understood,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Just a minute. Hmm. Yeah, so in this case, first of all, volume of rod is how much? It's pi r square h, pi r square h. Now they have given r as well as h is equal to n multiplied by hemispherical shell's volume will be how much? What do you think? Have I taught you hemispherical shell's volume? Let
Sir,
me remind.
I think it
No,
should
sir.
be
No, sir, you
outer
have
minus.
not taught me.
Sorry, I could not hear you, my dear child.
Sir,
So many people.
as two radius are given, we can just do it like outer volume minus inner volume will give the volume of the
Ah,
actual shell,
very good, very good, very
like
good, very
in
good.
hollow cylinder.
Very good, very good. So, my dear child, we know the sphere's volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we are speaking about shell's volume. So shell means what? Shell is basically अंदर से खाली होता है. So shell means sphere only. So in this case, volume of a hemispherical shell is outer volume minus inner volume. So 4 by 3 pi radius of outer surface cube minus 4 by 3 pi radius of inner surface volume. So I'll take 4 by 3 pi common and I'll write radius of outer surface cube minus radius of inner surface.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, cube.
Here, do we have to take the cubes and then subtract, or do we have to subtract and then take the cube of the result? I think we have to, I don't
Take
know.
the cube and then subtract. Because radius
Okay,
के
so
ऊपर the first
27 minus 8.
yeah very true, very true, very true. Okay, so first of all what I can do is cancel pi and then radius, let me substitute 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 multiplied by the height is 57 is equal to n multiplied by 4 divided by 3. Now 4 gets cancelled with 64 to give you 16 multiplied by in the bracket outer radius cube 3 cube is 27 minus inner radius cube 2 cube is 8. So on the left hand side, I take 3 to the other side. So this gives me 3 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 57. Right now I'm keeping them separate. Is equal to n multiplied by 27 minus 8. How much is that?
19.
19. Now, can we, like, is there any possibility of cancellation?
19 into 3 is equal to 57.
Yes, absolutely. So 16 threes are gives you 1, 2, 3, 48. Correct. 48 threes are,
Sir, how did
144.
64 become 16?
144.
yeah, 144. Yeah, somebody was asking.
How did 64 become 16?
Cancelled with 4.
Okay.
13th problem, option number 2 is your answer. Yeah. So, dear children, our time is about to end. Since you guys have school the next day, I'm not joining again because if I'll join again, I'll definitely extend the lecture. So, I'll continue the class in the next time. Okay, this one extra
Hold it
session I'll
down.
continue. Okay.